Are you struggling to get your lines perfectly straight or at a specific angle in the Word? So here are the ways I'll tell you how you can rotate line in MS Word. So first head to the insert and click on the shapes and click on the line and hold the shift key and drag the mouse and draw a straight line. So hover your mouse on the line and you will see this four-headed arrow. You can move it, the line, to anywhere on the Word document like this one. So you can also reduce the size of the line by dragging it. Moreover, grab your this circular arrow at the top and drag it to rotate the entire line around its center like this one. Moreover, if you want to rotate the line to the precise degree for an exact angle, then right click and click on the more layout option. And under the size tab in the rotate, you can type your exact degree into the rotation box. For example, 90 degree for vertical and click OK. And here it is. If you want to make it 45-degree, then right click, click more layout option, head to the size and type the specific 45-degree rotation box, click OK. And here it is. So in this way, you can easily rotate line in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.